Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best small fish tank is probably one of the most rewarding and fulfilling hobbies you can pick up, adding a touch of serenity and beauty to your home. In this video, we will explore the essential features to look for when selecting a small fish tank, including the importance of a reliable filter and appropriate lighting to create a thriving underwater ecosystem for your fin friends. We'll also discuss tank size considerations, maintenance tips, and the joy of watching your aquatic companions flourish in their miniature world. Number 5. Tetra Bubbling LED Aquarium Kit. This hexagon-shaped aquarium is perfect for your betta fish. It's small, stylish, and easy to set up. Watch it cycle through a rainbow of colors. This feature adds a vibrant touch to your pet's home. It keeps the water clean and provides a healthy environment for your fish. The filter is powered by the included air pump. It powers both the bubbling disc and the filter, making it super convenient. No need for extra equipment. The clear canopy has a handy hole for easy feeding. It's simple to care for your aquatic friend. This kit is perfect for fish of all ages and sizes. Enjoy watching your pet thrive. What we like. This hexagon-shaped aquarium kit is perfect for a single betta fish. It features a color-changing LED light that adds a touch of magic to your desktop. If you're looking for a unique and visually appealing small tank, this is the one for you. What people say. It was a nice little aquarium. It's not big and it doesn't take up space. It came with all the parts and it was so easy to set up. The bubble part also is great and you can adjust it to your liking or for the fish's liking. It's also very sturdy and it doesn't leak. They definitely have enough space to swim around, and I was able to add some plants for decoration. I like that the fish tank is not too wide but rather tall, so my fish have more space, but I also get to save space on my desk, which is where I have them. My betta is living life happily. For anyone saying this tank is too small, it's not. My betta has been thrilled to be out of his tiny cup at the fish store. He swims around the tank a lot, chills, and blows bubbles to show that he's happy. Number 4. Koller AquaView 2-gallon Aquarium. It's the perfect home for your tropical fish. Its stylish design looks great anywhere, and it's super easy to set up and maintain. With energy-efficient LED lighting, you can choose from 7 dazzling colors to illuminate your fish. Set the perfect mood with options like daylight white, blue, or even purple. The powerful internal filter cleans and purifies the water, removing pollutants and keeping your fish healthy. It's efficient and uses easily replaceable cartridges. You'll enjoy crystal clear views of your fish. It's made of impact-resistant plastic, so it's durable and leak-proof. It measures 10.2 inches in diameter and 10.5 inches high. See the included PDF for detailed setup instructions. What we like. This aquarium offers a 360-degree view of your fish, letting you enjoy them from any angle. It boasts 7 dazzling color options for the LED light, creating a vibrant underwater world. If you want a crystal clear, all-around view of your fish with powerful filtration, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It was easy to assemble and it isn't too big or too small. The filtration system is quiet and low suction. The material the aquarium is made out of is durable, and the top covering solid. The filter is quiet and does a fabulous job of running to keep the aquarium clean. Number 3. Aqueon LED MiniBow Aquarium Kit. This beautiful little aquarium is perfect for small fish. It's easy to set up and maintain, making it ideal for beginners and experienced fish keepers alike. With Smart Clean technology, water changes are a breeze. You can perform a complete water change in under 2 minutes. It improves water quality, keeping your fish happy and healthy. Enjoy a sparkling clean aquarium with minimal effort. Everything is included: the tank, filter, food, water conditioner, and even a helpful setup guide. It's ready to go right out of the box. It's the ideal home for small fish. Watch your fish thrive in this stylish and easy-to-care-for aquarium. It's designed for fish keepers of all ages and experience levels. Even first-time fish owners will find it simple to use and maintain. Maintaining it is easy thanks to the readily available Aqueon small replacement cartridges. Simply replace the cartridge for consistently clean water. What we like. It features smart clean technology for quick and easy water changes, saving you time and effort. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need to get started. If you are a beginner fish keeper or looking for convenience, this is a great option. What people say. The filter works well but is a little strong, so I have Christmas moss free floating and let it clog the filter bottom a bit plus stack natural rocks to keep him protected. The light works well without being too strong. The tank itself, while plastic, is very sturdy, although I didn't use the bottom stand piece. It gives the tank an extra elevated look for sure, but since I was putting it on a small table and I have 3 large dogs, I wanted the extra stability of putting it directly on the table. Number 2. Koller 3-gallon 360 Aquarium. Bring the beauty of the underwater world into your home. It's a relaxing and rewarding experience for the whole family, providing stress relief and a touch of tranquility to your daily life. Watch your fish shimmer and shine with its energy-efficient LED lighting. Choose from 7 vibrant colors to create the perfect underwater ambience. It's so clear, you'll think it's glass. The impact-resistant plastic ensures a leak-proof and long-lasting aquarium experience. This aquarium features a powerful filter that keeps the water pristine. It removes waste effectively, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, setting up and maintaining this aquarium is a breeze. It's perfect for a variety of tropical fish. What we like. This aquarium provides a 360-degree view of your aquatic friends, enhancing your viewing experience. The 7 color options for the LED light allow you to customize the ambience. If you value a crystal clear, all-around view and powerful filtration, this is an excellent choice. What people say. What a great little tank. It is very quiet and looks great. The pump is a little tricky to get situated at first, but once in place is quiet and seems sufficient for the size of the tank. Don't overcrowd with fish. The LED is bright and beautiful, and the timer with the 2 and 4 hour option is very nice. It has a light but tight-fitting lid, keeping it very secure and my cats out of the tank. The light changes colors to fit what you like, and has a timer. This is a great aquarium tank. The curvature makes items larger than they are, which is great for viewing. The pump is great when it is working. I like the waterfall effect. Number 1. Small Fish Tank Aquarium Kit. It features a complete filter system that self-cleans and creates water circulation, keeping the water crystal clear and reducing the need for frequent water changes. Enjoy the beauty of your underwater world without the hassle. Made from 100% high-transparent glass, it has undergone rigorous testing, including a 3-meter drop test. We're so confident in its durability, we'll replace it for free if it breaks. The built-in LED lights aren't just for looks, they provide essential photosynthesis for plants, increasing oxygen levels and creating a healthier environment for your fish. It's ideal for bettas, guppies, shrimps, and other small fish. You can even use it as a breeding tank for your aquatic friends. We stand behind our product. If it arrives damaged, contact our after-sales service within 24 hours for a quick replacement. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This self-cleaning aquarium reduces the frequency of water changes, saving you time and effort. It's made of high-quality glass, ensuring durability and clarity. If you prioritize convenience and a crystal-clear tank, this is the ideal option. What people say. Works well, stays clean and has a small footprint. Quiet and colorful. For an all-in-one tank, I recommend this and would buy again. You can change the colors, or it will do it automatically. It fades from one color to the next. Front is 10 1/8 wide, side is 6 1/2 deep. The height is 10 1/4 tall in front and 11 1/4 tall in the back. With the lid all the way open, it adds depth to it. You would need a minimum 9 of counter shelf depth as well as 16 3/8 in height for the lid to lift open. All glass, came perfect condition, also came with pots for succulents on the filter area. They are in my picture. Sponge it comes with it fine, and has a middle empty compartment which I added mesh bags with carbon and a small heater. Works great, but will need to buy those things on your own. Light also work good. To schedule it though, I think you need to be home at the start time for it to work right. Because it's just a button. And the pump is quiet if you keep it from touching the walls in its chamber. Which will be a little hard because it's so small. All in all, super cheap 5-gallon tank, that does everything you want with some aquaponics abilities. I'm loving it. The tank is nicer than I expected for the cost. The aquarium was packed extremely well with 2 full boxes, one inside the other, and plenty of padding. The light has several settings, which is nice. The filter seems to work well. The tank comes with everything you need except items for your fish and any chemicals you may need to treat your water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.